Node.js. Node.js came about when the original developers took JavaScript, something that at that point we could really only run in the browser, and they allowed it to run as a standalone process on your machine. So before Node, JavaScript just could not be used as a more general purpose programming language. It was limited to what the browser allowed it to do. So for example, I could use JavaScript to add a click event to this button or to redirect a user to a different page, but there was no way to use the JavaScript programming language outside of the browser to build things like web servers that could access the file system and connect to databases. All of these are things that other programming languages can do without any problem. All of this ended up changing with the introduction of Node.js. With Node.js, JavaScript developers could now use JavaScript on the server side, so they could use the same JavaScript programming language to create web servers, command line interfaces, application backends, and more, all of which we'll end up covering in the class. So at a high level, you know what Node is. Node is a way to run JavaScript code on the server as opposed to being forced to run it on the client in the browser. Now the question has to be asked, how exactly is this possible? And we're going to explore the answer by starting with this one-sentence summary on the Node.js homepage. We're going to